Question number 12. It looks complicated, but it is very, very simple. Please pay attention. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So what do you mean when you have intercepts? The particular line intersects on the x-axis and the y-axis. They mean to say equal intercepts, meaning A equals B. So what do you know about the intercept formula? You have x divided by A plus y divided by b equals 1. They say that we have equal intercepts. And the question is not yet over. It passes through the points 2, 3. So this particular line, it passes through the point 2, 3 in the equation of this line. So here somewhere 2, 3 lies on the line. So when you try to simplify this, what do you get? X divided by A plus y divided by A equals 1. When I try to take the LCM, what do I have? X plus y equals A. In the question, it is said that 2, 3 lies on the line. And the equation of this line that we just found out is x plus y equals A. If point 2, 3 lies on x plus y equals A, then it should satisfy the equation, right? So you substitute for x and y. 2 plus 3 equals A. A equals 5, which means B is also equal to 5. So what does your equation become? Now you put back the A here. So now your equation of the line is x plus y equals 5. It is given that the intercepts are equal. You know the intercept form, x by a plus y by b equals 1. You try to simplify and you get an equation. It is given that this particular point passes through the equation, which means this point should satisfy this equation. So you substitute for x and y and you get the value of a. You put back the value of a in this particular equation to get the equation in terms of x and y. So your equation will be x plus y minus 5 equals 0. Okay. Question number 13. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. So the intercepts are basically A and B. They say that the sum is 9. So what do you have? You have B equals 9 minus A. So you have to substitute in the equation that you know. This is the intercept form, x by A divided by y by B equals 1. X divided by A plus y divided by 9 minus A equals 1. I am going to find the LCM. So it is x times 9 minus A plus y times A equals A times 9 minus A. So this is the equation that you get. It is said that 2, 2 lies on the equation, which means it should satisfy the equation. So I am going to substitute for values x and y, which is 2 and 2. So I get 2 times 9 minus A plus 2 times A equals A times 9 minus A. So what do you get? 9 2s are 18 minus 2A plus 2A equals 9A minus A square. Minus 2A and plus 2A gets cancelled. I'm bringing everything to the left hand side. So I have A square minus 9A plus 18 equals 0. So by splitting the middle term, 6 3s are negation. So the product is 18 and the sum is minus 9. So I have A square minus 6A minus 3A plus 18 equals 0. A minus 6, A minus 6 minus 3 equals 0. So A minus 6 times A minus 3 equals 0. So the value of A is either 6 or 3. So what is your equation? It is x divided by A, y divided by B equals 1. So if A equals 6, then your value of B is 9 minus 6, which is 3. If your A value is 3, then your B is 9 minus 3, which is 6. So your equation becomes x divided by 6 plus y divided by 3 equals 1, or x divided by 3 plus y divided by 6 equals 1. Solving this, what do I get? X plus 2y equals 6. The LCM is 6. Here I get 2x plus y equals 6. So these are the required equations. Okay. 14th question is quite simple, but it just has two different subsections. So let's do question number 14. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 0, 2 and making an angle of 2 pi by 3 with a positive x. So the angle is 2 pi by 3. So tan 2 pi by 3 is nothing but tan 3 pi minus pi by 3, which is tan of pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 meaning it is in the second quadrant, all silver tea cups. So the tan is negative. So what do you get? Minus tan pi by 3, which is minus tan 60, which is minus root 3. So what is your slope? Your slope is minus root 3. So you have a point and a slope. So what is your equation? Y minus y naught equals slope times x minus x naught. This is your slope, point slope form, right? So y minus 2 equals minus root 3x. Root 3x plus y minus 2 equals 0. So this is your first equation. What is the second part of the question? Also find the equation of line parallel to it. So they say that another line is parallel to this. So the slope would be the same as slope of the first line, which is minus root 3. So the slope we have found out. Find the equation of line parallel to it and crossing through the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. So it passes through the y-axis, which is 2 units below the origin. So what is the point? The x value would be 0 and the y value would be minus 2. So we know what the slope is and we know what the point is. So now we just have to find the equation. So you have y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. So what is your equation? Root 3x plus y plus 2 equals 0. Okay, very simple. Just read the question line by line, write down whatever you know, try solving them slowly without missing any step. You'll reach the final answer. Okay. Question number 15. A line from the origin. So this point is 0, 0 touches the other line which meets it at the point minus 2, 9. So this is a perpendicular from the origin. So they say that this is perpendicular. Perpendicular from the origin to the line meets the line at minus 2, 9. They want us to find the equation of this line. So this is A, B and this is O. So what do you know? You have O, let me mark this as P. So slope OP equals M1, which is Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So what do you have? Minus 9 by 2. Since OP is perpendicular to AB, Y is given in the question. So M1, M2 equals minus 1. So what is your M1? Minus 9 by 2. M2 equals minus 1. So your M2 is 2 by 9. So in this particular line, you have a point and the slope. So it is very easy to find the equation of the line using point slope form. So what is it? Y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. So it's plus 2. Y minus 9 times 9 equals 2x plus 4. So what do I have? 9y minus 81 minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. So what is it? 9y minus 85 minus 2x equals 0. Multiplying the whole equation by minus 1. 2x minus 9y plus 85 equals 0.